Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. First, I want to introduce two special friends who are with us today and will be with us for the fall.
Hi, my name's Emily. I'm from Lesley University and I'm studying art therapy.
Hi, my name's Jessie and I'm studying child life at Boston University.
We're
Great.
happy to have you with us.
Yes.
So Gail, what are we going to do today?
Well, today, since it's very fall-like out, we're going to be making some fall trees. And I have two different samples. Here's one, and then here's another one. And Peggy, you have
And
another one too.
Here's mine.
Great.
All right, so before we begin, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques to help get us ready. So since we're doing trees and leaves and talking about fall, we're going to pretend we're a tree. So we're going to put our hands up on our head so we're tall like a tree, and then we're just going to pretend we're swaying with the breeze and the leaves are falling, and while we do that, we're just going to take some nice breaths.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice. That's a good way to start. I feel very relaxed. Thank you.
Great. So what supplies do we need today?
Okay, so today we're going to need paints, a paper plate, Q-tips, some paper, a rubber band, and some markers. Okay,
All right.
so we can get started. So there's a few different ways to do this craft, and so Jessie's going to show us the way to do it, where she's going to use markers to start her tree, and Emily's going to show us the way you can do it tracing your hand and painting it. So if you girls want to get started with that, okay. And in the meantime, while they're starting, Peggy, you and I can bundle our Q-tips together, and this is what's going to make the leaves. So what you're going to do is just take however many Q-tips you want and bundle them together and put a rubber band around them.
And if you don't have a rubber band, you can just take some tape and wrap it around. And that's what I did.
Oh, great. Okay, good. Good. And then if you want, keep some out extra to do some individual leaves if you want. Anything goes with this craft. How are they coming, girls?
Good.
Good.
They're coming.
The
Awesome.
The other way you can do it, I know Emily's doing her tree, and Jessie, and we showed how you can trace your hand. And so I just did painting, just like with branches.
Oh, nice. That's great. And I pre-did one with marker. Okay. So while they're doing that, Peggy, you and I can get started with our leaves. It's the fun part. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your bundle and you're going to dip it in a color of paint, like that, and just start pressing it on the tree. Okay, and you can mix the colors any way you want.
I was just going to ask you that, if you can mix.
Yes, because when you look at trees, they do look pretty mixed together from afar. And so
I'm also going to take a single Q-tip and just to add some skinny branches or more.
oh, that's a good idea.
Paint different ways with a Q-tip.
Yeah, so mine's coming along. And I'm going to use the extra one too, just to put in some green on mine, because there's still often green leaves left on the tree too. How's it coming, girls?
Good. Finished
Good.
up with the branches and now
Great.
doing
Oh,
Wow,
nicely.
looks great.
Thank you.
And one thing that I did on mine, and really any way you do it is going to be great, but in my sample, I did some leaves that had already fallen on the ground, And you can do some leaves in the air. You can just do it however you want.
I was just gonna say that because that's what I started doing was making some on the ground.
That looks nice. I like it. I find this craft very relaxing.
Yes, definitely.
And then Peggy, you, in your other one, when you were done your tree, you added other things with other color paints, right?
Right, so I added some grass down the bottom and sky, and you could add anything. You could put some birds, different things, and make it a whole scene.
And did you use a paintbrush for that or a Q-tip?
You know what? I stuck to using a Q-tip for the whole thing.
That's great. It makes it easy as far as supplies go. How's everyone coming?
Great.
Good.
I like it.
So here's mine so far.
Oh, wow.
That's
You
a
did
lot.
a
A lot of leaves.
Really pretty, really fall.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna keep working on mine and
Yes.
finish it up.
I'm gonna keep working on mine. And can I see yours?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow,
You look great.
yeah,
I love them.
A lot of fun.
I
yeah.
love the colors.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah,
So
so
we're all gonna keep working on our crafts.
And this was a fun activity and we hope you enjoyed it and get to try it yourself.
Yes. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website, www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Bye. Have fun.
Bye.